Number 1. The 1967 Pontiac Firebird Sprint Convertible, priced at $10,500. This classic 1967 Pontiac Firebird is a convertible with an original 6-cylinder overhead cam engine and a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's in great shape, running smoothly, and all lights are in working order. Recently, it has had several new parts installed, including front fenders, a valance, inner fenders, a core support, a hood, and a trunk lid, along with a new heavy-duty radiator, stock exhaust system, gas tank, and fuel sending unit. The car's body is solid, having spent its life in Texas, and the original interior is in excellent condition. Currently in primer, it could use some finishing touches before a final paint job. It runs and shifts well for its age, and you can enjoy driving it while completing any remaining work. The car comes with a clear and clean title in the seller's name. Number 2. The 1971 Ford Torino 500, priced at $8,500. This classic car was built in 1971 and features the Ford Torino 500 model, known for its mid-size appeal. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 351 cubic inch Cleveland V8 engine, equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor and designated as the high-performance M-Code variant. The car comes with an automatic transmission, making it an easier drive for those who prefer not to shift gears manually. However, it's worth noting that this Torino is a project vehicle. While it does run, stop, and can be moved around a parking lot, it's not currently roadworthy. The car requires some brake work and attention to its gas tank before it can safely hit the open road. If you're looking for a restoration project with lots of potential, this Torino might be the perfect fit. Number 3. The 1978 Buick LeSabre Custom Coupe, priced at $9,500. This classic beauty features a 2-door coupe design with custom modifications, powered by a 301 cubic inch V8 engine, which is roughly 4.9 liters in displacement. It was repainted in 2017 and is free of rust, ensuring the body is in great condition. All systems are fully functional, making it road trip ready, complete with a modern air conditioning system. As a veteran of the Hot Rod Power Tour, this car has proven its reliability. The interior may be faded, but it remains solid and structurally sound. Number 4. The 1956 Oldsmobile 88, priced at $10,500. This classic Oldsmobile Delta 88 comes with an automatic transmission and has been used as a daily driver. It's definitely not a show car, but is operational, starting, running, driving, and stopping just fine. The driver's side floor pan has some rust, and both door windows are cracked and temporarily held together with collision wrap. The car has been sitting for the past 2 years, so a thorough inspection is recommended before any long trips. It comes with a clean New Jersey title and 3 keys. While it needs a little love and some repairs, it could be a great project for the right buyer. Number 5. The 1979 Oldsmobile Holiday 88, priced at $14,000. This classic car has just 71,700 miles on the odometer and is powered by an Oldsmobile 350 Rocket V8 engine, paired with a 4-barrel carburetor and a 350 turbo automatic transmission. The seller has the original build sheets, and the tires are practically new with only about 600 miles on them. Recent updates include new shocks and springs, belts and hoses, alternator, dual exhaust, radiator with the original one still available, gas tank and sending unit, and battery. While the air conditioning is not working perfectly, it turns on but doesn't blow cold air. The paint still looks good with just some fading on the top. The vinyl top is in excellent shape. Features such as the driver's power seat, door locks, cruise control, radio, horn, and rear defrost are all in working order. Number 6. The 1955 Pontiac Star Chief, priced at $10,000. This classic car has a rich history, having been used in the filming of the movie Child of God in Greenbrier County, West Virginia, though there aren't any written papers to verify this claim. It's been kept in a garage, protecting it from harsh weather, and features a 287 cubic inch V8 engine that is said to run great. Recent upgrades include brand new tires, brakes, drums, and calipers. The car comes with a clear title, so there are no liens or legal issues to worry about. While the seller describes the car as nice, it's important to note that it's not in mint condition, meaning it has some imperfections. Also, the seller isn't interested in trades. Number 7. The 1971 Chevrolet Vega, priced at $8,500. This classic car is equipped with a powerful 350 cubic inch V8 engine from a 1971 Camaro, featuring a sturdy 4-bolt main. It comes with newer rims and tires, ensuring a smooth ride. The car will start with a jump, but it needs a new battery. Previously owned by the seller's uncle in Wisconsin, it's now part of a small collection of cars being sold off. The sale includes extra rear windows, an additional front bumper, and a fiberglass spoiler. Inside, you'll find a rear bench seat. The engine delivers just under 300 horsepower on the dyno. However, please note the car has been sitting unused for a year and a half. Number 8. The 1965 AMC Ambassador, priced at $8,000. This classic car is in good condition and shows no signs of rust. The car was last driven a year ago when it developed an issue with the coolant system, leading to it being parked since then. Before that, it was a reliable runner and could be driven without any problems. The parts needed to fix the coolant issue are included with the sale, but the current owner hasn't had the time to make the repairs themselves. Rest assured, the car comes with a clean title, ensuring there are no legal complications with its ownership. Number 9. The 1953 Kaiser Manhattan Deluxe, priced at $6,500. This classic car is a 4-door sedan with an automatic transmission, and it's an unrestored survivor, meaning it's kept in its original, well-preserved state. The original interior is quite striking with its unique design. Recent updates include new wide white-wall tires, a new water pump, and some distributor work. While it runs and has been driven recently, it's worth noting that it emits quite a bit of smoke, making it less suitable for regular road use at the moment. Number 10. The 1973 Triumph Spitfire 1500, priced at $5,200. This classic car has been kept in a garage, suggesting it's been well preserved and in excellent condition. It's mostly original, with minimal modifications from its factory state, and is described as being very solid, with no major rust or damage. Recent maintenance includes new tires, a changed air filter, fresh engine oil, a replaced oil filter, and checked or replaced fluids. Additionally, the carburetor has been rebuilt for optimal performance. The car does need new carpeting and has a small dent in the rear bumper. Overall, it's a fun and enjoyable vehicle to drive, perfect for those who appreciate a classic ride.